Hey everyone, today is the second to last day of the AID.
And all over Wageningen there are fun activities and workshops for the new bachelor students.
We are looking forward to it. So, let's go! Behind me is the cooking workshop. So if you are a student and you don't know how to cook, that's the place to go. I'm gonna make a meal for myself, so if you want to see, come with me.
I don't know about you, but I'm starving and apparently they make very good pancakes right behind us.
So let's go inside. We are now going to Argo, where we can do some fun activities around the Rhine.
What an incredible day! We really enjoyed the workshops. I mean, fire,
Pancakes,
cooking,
boats,
and a lot of new students.
We hope you enjoyed the last day of the AID, and of course we see you at the university.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.